There are three core differences that separate a professional YouTuber from an amateur YouTuber. I studied loads and loads of videos from tons of successful YouTube creators, Mr. Beast, Ryan Tarahan, Iraq, Mark Rober, and all of those creators follow those three rules when it comes to their YouTube career. Those three rules are the core of a successful, happy YouTube career. Let's start with the first one. Professional YouTubers set deadlines for themselves. Quantity or quality is a pretty popular topic when it comes to creating content. Should you focus on quantity and post YouTube videos every day to stay consistent, or should you focus on quality and give the videos as much time as they need to be perfect? Neither. You should go with neither, because both of those routes have pretty major issues. When you focus on quantity, you will get lost making the same video again and again, making videos just for the sake of staying consistent, even if that means that you will have to post a bad video that is not worth your fans' time. On the other hand, when you focus on quality, when you are not forced to stay consistent, you might get lost in perfectionism, you might get to distractions, which might lead you to making a video every few weeks or even every few months, which can lead you to regrets and depression. Well, the answer that solves both of those issues is quantified quality. I post one video every 3 days. That way, I'm not being rushed, which might lead me to making bad quality videos, and at the same time, I have to post one video every 3 days, which means that I will have to show up every single day, writing the script, recording the video, editing the footage. You see, an amateur YouTuber shows up only when he feels like it. But a professional YouTuber, on the other hand, shows up every day whether he feels like it or not, whether he's in a good mood or not. A professional YouTuber also focuses on making high quality videos, but due to him having strict deadlines, perfectionism or distractions can't get anywhere near him. Matthew Beam, a YouTuber who reached 1 million subscribers in a period of 6 months, has been posting weekly for 2 years. He posts every week at the same time. The same thing with Mr. Beast when he was just starting to blow up, and loads of other creators. So, set up in your calendar deadlines for your videos. Don't make them too tight that you start rushing bad videos, and don't make them too stretched out, which might lead you to not push yourself to being more productive. You will need to experiment a bit at first, but eventually you will find the schedule that fits your YouTube channel. Because a professional YouTuber sets deadlines for himself, an amateur YouTuber makes videos when he feels like it. Talking about professional YouTubers make the thumbnail before making the video itself. The thumbnail of your video could be the most important aspect of your YouTube career success. Think of the thumbnail as the front of your shop. If the front of your shop is messy, is dusty, is not eye-grabbing enough, no one is going to bother to go inside your shop to find if you actually overvalue or not. The same thing with YouTube videos. If your thumbnail isn't eye-grabbing enough, doesn't intrigue the viewer enough, the viewer will not click on your video even if your video is worthwhile. An amateur YouTuber blames the YouTube algorithm. That evil algorithm that doesn't support his art of filmmaking and ties him down with all those superficial details like titles and thumbnails. An amateur YouTuber makes the thumbnail in 5 minutes in a rush before posting the video. An amateur YouTuber likes making videos more than he likes planning his videos. It's like an athlete that loves playing the game but hates to train and try sharpening his skills. A professional YouTuber, on the other hand, fights the resistance inside of him that is telling him to delay the process of making the thumbnail. He fights it and sits down to make the thumbnail for his video before filming a second of his video. If a professional YouTuber couldn't come up with a good thumbnail for his video, he scratches that idea off his list. He demolishes it. So, next time you are deciding to choose which idea to work on next, make sure you come up with a good enough thumbnail before you start making the video. Because a professional YouTuber makes a thumbnail before making the video itself. Wanna know something professional YouTubers don't do? Professional YouTubers don't take their videos performance personally. An amateur YouTuber lets his latest video performance control his mood. If a video is not performing well, he feels crushed, he gets depressed.
I mean, we both knew it. Who am I kidding? Me, becoming successful on YouTube and yeah, making thousands of dollars every month. Yeah, sure. Maybe I was never meant to become a YouTuber.
An amateur YouTuber lets a single video's performance control his emotion. An amateur YouTuber doesn't understand the core concept of success in YouTube. He doesn't understand that YouTube is a marathon. It is not a sprint. YouTube is a process that can take months. YouTube success is showing up every day. Whether you feel like it or not, YouTube success is sticking to your plans and seeking improvements with each upload. You see, a professional YouTuber sees his YouTube channel as a business. Mr. Beast Inc., Mark Rober Inc., Marcus Brownlee Inc. That's not a video you have posted, that is a product you have launched. A professional YouTuber checks the reviews of the product to find any areas for improvement. A professional YouTuber checks his product's sales report to figure out what went wrong and what can be better. A professional YouTuber sends his product over to other professional YouTubers to get their critique on his product. Next time a video of yours flop, think of it as a room for improvement and learning from mistakes, not a personal failure. YouTube success for a professional YouTuber is experimenting with a new concept that is carefully planned for, is making the video before a predetermined deadline, is seeking mistakes and learning from them, and most importantly, YouTube success is waking up the next day to work on the next video whether he feels like it or not, because that is what a professional YouTuber does. The concept of being a professional or an amateur is from a book I read that is called The War of Art. It's a book I highly suggest for you to read if you deal with perfectionism or procrastination. You will find my affiliate link in the description, and I highly suggest watching this video. In this video I will show you 3 things that professional YouTubers checks before starting to work on their next video.